Every time you spray bleach on mold, you are doing something that feels like solving the problem, while actually making it worse. The mold disappears from the surface. You feel satisfied. 2 weeks later, it is back. Darker, more widespread, more established than before. This is not bad luck. This is chemistry. And today, we replace the bleach with something that does what bleach never could. That's to kill mold completely, permanently, at its root. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell, because if bleach has been your mold solution and the mold keeps returning, this video is the explanation and the answer you have been waiting for. The bleach lie nobody tells you about. There is a belief so deeply embedded in household cleaning culture that questioning it feels almost radical. The belief that bleach kills mold. It is on the labels of mold removal products. It is in every cleaning guide written before the last decade. It is what your parents used, and what their parents used, and what most people reach for without hesitation when they spot those dark patches spreading across bathroom grout or gathering in a ceiling corner. Why clove oil works where bleach cannot. Clove oil is extracted from the clove plant, the same spice sitting in your kitchen cupboard. It contains a compound called Eugenol at concentrations of approximately 70 to 90%. Eugenol is one of the most potent natural antifungal compounds identified in plant chemistry. It does not bleach mold. It does not remove its color. It kills it at the cellular level, disrupting the cell membrane structure of mold organisms and preventing the reproduction of spores that would allow regrowth. The clove oil diffusion technique, exactly how to apply it. For surface mold on tiles, grout, bathroom caulk, and painted walls, the direct application method delivers immediate and lasting results. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of pure clove essential oil into 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Do not be tempted to increase the concentration significantly. Clove oil is potent, and the dilution is sufficient for effective treatment, while preventing potential surface discoloration on lighter materials from excessive oil concentration. The prevention layer. Addressing the root cause. Here is the truth that no mold treatment, bleach, clove oil, or anything else can substitute for completely. Mold does not grow in dry environments. It requires sustained moisture above a certain threshold to establish and spread. Every mold treatment addresses an existing problem. Moisture control prevents the problem from existing in the first place. Fix every source of excess moisture in mold-prone rooms. Run bathroom exhaust fans during and for at least 15 minutes after every shower. Leave bathroom doors open after use to allow moisture to disperse rather than condensing on cool surfaces. Check for and repair any water ingress around windows, doors, and roof junctions. These are not optional additions to the clove oil technique. They are the conditions without which any mold treatment, however effective, will be addressing a recurring problem rather than a solved one. Clove oil kills the mold that moisture creates. Moisture control prevents the conditions that allow mold to return. You have been fighting mold with bleach, a water-based solution that removes visible evidence while leaving root structure intact and feeding it moisture at the same time. The mold that kept coming back was never defeated. It was repeatedly disturbed, and every time it returned, it came back from a root structure that had survived everything you applied to the surface above it. Clove oil and eugenol penetrate where bleach cannot reach. They kill where bleach only bleaches. They leave a residual protection where bleach leaves only evaporated chlorine and absorbed water. Dilute. Spray. Leave contact time. Scrub. Diffuse monthly for prevention. Address the moisture source that made mold possible. That is the complete solution. Not the cycle you have been managing, the actual end of it. If this finally explains why your bleach treatment keeps failing and gives you the solution that actually works, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so health and home discoveries like this always reach you first. Share it with someone whose mold keeps coming back no matter what they try. Click the link in the description box for highly recommended natural cleaning products. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.